All right, listen up. If you have an old iPhone, I have several iPhone 6S that still rock and roll. I've done surgery on them many a time to have the battery changed, screen, things like that. They're still very functional phones. That iOS version is, losing more and more functionality, but it is still very functional. But check this out. If you have an app that won't open, don't give up. Trying to open this slot app that I've been playing for a while, making good money on it. Playing basically in the background with swag bucks. I'll put that link in the description, but it does take several presses to get this open. So keep that in mind. Don't give up. I do the thing where I double click and I close all the apps, of course, but it will still do this. And let's see if it'll replicate it, because I just tried to open it once and it immediately closed. So I'm hoping, like usual, it'll do it a few times. Let's see. Well, of course, this time it loads. So the advice still stands true. If you have an app on your old iPhone or your old iPad and it's popping up and then closing, popping up and then, keep trying. Don't give up. Keep trying. A lot of times you might resort to restarting the phone, and that takes a lot of time. You don't have to do that. Just keep trying to open it. It will open. This isn't the only app that behaves this way. So hopefully that helps you out. Keep the iPhone 6S or whatever old phone that you're using. Keep them going. No need to just throw them in the trash. Thanks for watching.